This is a 2011 Lexus IS 350. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity discharge headlights, direct injection, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, interior wood trim accents, a toolkit, side impact airbags, a first aid kit, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a home link feature, and this vehicle has fewer than 17,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.